want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your
Say I'm happy, but I'm still stuck on us. Oh, damn recording. But I can't make a scene. Our people, what's up, man? One of the questions that I've been getting recently about my vest. I think I wore it in a few videos, even on Instagram posts or Instagram stories. Y'all always hit me, yo, Mike, what's good with the vest? So I just got a new vest in today. I wanted to explain kind of the sizing behind this because it was really confusing. And I feel like when you're spending this kind of money, it's nice to know, especially if you don't have it in your local area. So we'll get into that. But this vest right here that you guys have seen a lot, very puffy, somewhat of the shiny material. This is actually a Banana Republic. So the thing about vests, man, there's so many different price ranges. You can get them from $30 all the way up to probably $2,000. So it fits everybody's budget. The thing I love about vests is they're so versatile. You know, you can even get away with pulling this off on a very, summer day, but I mean like a little bit cold. You know, one of those like 60, you could probably wear this in 60, maybe not. This one's a little hot, but it's a versatile piece, man. You'll be able to pull it out at least one time during the summer and all through fall, springtime, it's perfect. So this is the one that you guys see me wear a lot. You can wear it with a t-shirt, you can wear it with, you know, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. So I really love that. The one thing and the reason why I got these new vests that I want to show you guys, don't get me wrong, I love this vest. I think it goes excellent with like a hoodie underneath, but I don't like that the hood isn't detachable. And another thing I don't like is they kind of have like that vape, like, oh, damn it, I just zipped my hair. Woo, that hurt. So yeah, I'm not really too big of a fan of that, but I do love this vest. It's super fire. Now let's get into the newest pickup. As you guys know, Montclair, if you don't know about Montclair, I will tell you first and foremost, I didn't know about Montclair until I went to London. I was at a SneakerCon event and I saw everybody like drip down in these fire jackets and I'm like, bro, Montclair, what is that? It's actually been around since the 1980s. Originally started as a sleeping bag company and kind of progressed from there. And it's cool to see how they came up. They're known more so for more of a stylish, but also like high-end top contender of keeping you warm. So that's kind of the thing. You know, we obviously have Canada Goose and I went through a lot of different vests I wanted to get. And you know, Canada Goose obviously offers that lifetime warranty, which was great. But I saw a lot of like quality issues, people having like feathers end up on their sweatshirts and stuff like that. So I still plan on getting a Canada Goose jacket eventually, just that one jacket that I'll probably have for the rest of my life. So I'm looking forward to that. But you never know, it could potentially be a Montclair too. So I ended up getting this vest. It's called the Montclair Banker vest. It's super fire, bro. I got a size 3 and a size 4, and I kind of wanted to differentiate the sizing for you guys or anyone ever interested in picking up a piece. Now, to me, these are lifetime pieces. Like a lot of people try to say, oh man, that's way too expensive. But in reality, if you think about it, bro, you're buying shoes every week. And you know, some of them are just sitting in the closet and you haven't seen them for months on end. So why not get a piece that you're gonna wear a lot? You know what I'm saying? That really goes in your wardrobe and is gonna last a long time. At least that's how I look at things. These do run extremely small and that's why I ended up buying 2. Obviously I'm gonna return 1. I just wanted to show you guys the sizing and kind of for myself. Now, in saying Montclair does run small, right? So this is the size 3. Now, based on their chart, a size 3 is technically a large, but also a 4 is technically a large. And I went to, you can go to your local Nordstrom and potentially try a vest on just to see. But some of the stuff does run really small, but this Banker runs a little bit bigger. Now, just to give you guys a breakdown of how they size it, right? Size 3 is a large and size 4 is a large. And you know, if so we can keep that to focus. If you're any of the other sizes, you can take some time to go at it. Now, I personally can wear a 4, 5, and 6 and still be comfortable. It just depends on kind of the style. And I don't really plan on getting big, nor, just if anything, I plan on getting leaner. So I'm just gonna stick with, let's see what the 3 offers. pushing right in between a medium and a large. Now with these vests, remember they are puffier. It just depends on how you want to layer underneath it. If you plan on only wearing this vest for certain items, which obviously we can tell this is a little bit too small, but I am 6'3", 200 pounds. Just to give you guys some dimensions. I can't even think of what I was trying to say, but it is a dope, bro, this vest goes crazy. And I love that I don't have the hood, just because for me, most likely I'll be layering it, and I'll show you guys some different layering options. Now you don't have to buy Montclair. This is just different ways you can style a vest, and it's just my pickup, you know what I'm saying? This is what I wanted, bro. So don't trip too much. Shout out to Kobe for the one time. But if you guys want to get this t-shirt, I believe Crossover is selling it. I'll make sure to put the link down below. Everyone keeps asking me about this. So if they still have them, I'll put the link. If they don't, I'm not going to put the link, just so you know. But yeah, this is what the 3 looks like. A little bit smaller. I could definitely get away with this, but why spend all that money and have a vest that doesn't fit how you want it to fit? So let's try on the 4. I'm hoping this fits, but if not, I ain't tripping. Saves me money. The 5, 6, yeah, the 5 and the 6 were sold out. And this was also on sale, so that was pretty fire. You guys know me. I rarely pay full price, man. That's just not my thing. Even if I had millions upon millions of dollars, like, I still feel like, knowing me, I would find a way. I just need to feel like I got a deal, no matter what. Like, if you want to sell me on something, you got to make sure I feel like I'm walking away like I got a deal. Even if I didn't get a deal, as long as I think I got a deal, it's all good. So this is the 4. This fits a lot better. Now I have somewhat of a bigger build, so you guys can see, like, I'll show you some different looks on how you can style this. And again, it doesn't have to be this vest specifically, but I mean, you can find the same vest way cheaper. But obviously, you know, you're paying for the brand, you're paying for the technology, innovation, and mostly the name. But the thing about Moncler is they source a lot of their materials from Japan, and it really is extremely great quality. Now, the only unfortunate thing is you don't have a lifetime warranty with this, like you do with Canada Goose. So that's another thing to consider, but this is top of the line in my opinion. Now, woof, this thing hit, ooh wee, bruh. So I went ahead and threw on this Jordan hoodie just to show you guys. Vests are all about being versatile. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. We can be cozy boys, or we can be, you know, fresh out the box. Pull out a turtleneck and that's gonna look phenomenal. This is more of a slim fit hoodie. I wanna say, if you're a bigger dude, definitely don't go any smaller than a size 6. Like, straight up, like that's just my opinion. If you want more of like a sleek fit, maybe size down from that. But big guys, if you're honestly like 6'1" and above, I would stay within the 4, 5, 6 range, and it all depends on if, you know, you're wider, muscular, whatever it is, that's gonna really determine the fit. But if you're a lot slimmer, you know, you can get away with the 3 and the 4. Sir, this murdered out. I'm happy, man. I'm definitely satisfied with this. Just the little things, like, you guys know, they get me on these metal zipper pockets. Oh, boom. And I can already feel this thing is pretty warm. To finish things off, like I said, you guys can go with the smart casual look too with these vests. And that's exactly what I'm talking about, as far as it's just a really nice accessory piece to add to your collection. I mean, obviously if you live in LA or Florida, it might be a little hard to pull off a vest and it's really unnecessary to get. But I mean, if you're in Colorado like me, or anywhere Midwest, or even East Coast, New York, where it gets really cold, vest is clutch, man. It's a nice piece to have in the collection, as far as if you don't want to wear a huge jacket. And sometimes I don't like wearing a whole bulky jacket. I just like pulling out the vest. I'm still warm and good to go. Before we end this, let me just show you guys what it looks like zipped up. Man, honestly, I always wonder, like, why is Moncler so expensive? But I can see it's the small, you guys can't see it very well, but it's the little details that they add, and you know, where fabrics are sourced, and just the technology that goes into it. So I completely understand, and I rock with it. It's really dope. I think it's always fun to learn how garments are made. Same thing with sneakers. You know, we always want to know the history behind it. Same thing goes into clothes. It's easy for a company to not pay its employees and, you know, really treat them bad, essentially not pay them their worth, and make cheap garments versus a brand who could potentially be sustainable. And I'm not saying Montclair is that. I'm just saying in general, it's always nice to potentially look into sustainable brands. But I'm done rambling, guys. I hope this video helped you. Moral of the story, how does Montclair fit? Just always size up. Really look into it. If you can go to a local Nordstrom's, which pretty much everyone has, go there, try it on. The way you can go about it is to order 2 sizes. This is typically what I do. I use my PayPal credit or a credit card, and I'll basically buy 2, get them, try them on, make sure I know which one I like more, and then I'll send the other one back and get my refund and call it a day. The only reason I use a credit card is, it does build your credit a little bit. You're just based on the fact that you're using your revolving credit. But on top of that, I'm not using my own money in my bank. So like if a package doesn't arrive or if it gets lost, don't bother me because it's not my money yet. You know what I'm saying? So usually your credit cards always protect you over using your actual money for the time being. That's it, man. I'm sorry for rambling on and on. Got a lot of information. So there you guys have it, man. Let me know what you think. Is the Montclair vest a cop or a drop? What do you guys think about vests in general? What is your favorite, I guess, higher end brand? Do you like Moncler? Do you like North Face, Canada Goose? There's so many brands out there, but you guys know what I'm saying. Let me know down below. But this is your boy, Sneaker Life. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.
House pink games, something mad, yes, bros. No sleeping, been a task rabbit, been a lab addict. The chief of the tribe I put on for my village. Used to be local, I'm taking it global. Sharp with the focus, you catching emotion. Treat that holistic, I give it a physics. Fuck your opinion, just did a show, only spit raw material. I'm independent, bitch, I'm in the building. Look what we